Simultaneously nga di ba? So sabay tayong naka-live, no? Naka-live na tayo sa Bigo, naka-live pa tayo sa YouTube channel ko. Ano yung YouTube channel ko? Migs Darulo. Ayan, di ba? So dito lang kayo guys. If you wanna hear something nice, mga nakaka-in-love na love songs, ayan, dito lang kayo. Alright, shout out. Who's this? AJ ba yan? AJ. Yung ano nyo kasi, oo, di ba? AJ? AJ, ewan ko. Anyway, shout out sa inyo. Ayan, magandang gabi bayan. Alright, okay. Isa na naman, coming up next, eto rin yung isa sa mga paborito kong kanta na nakaka-inlove. Pagka kinanta mo or narinig mo, di ba? Parang gusto mo, yung feeling na gusto mo rin ma-inlove eh, di ba? Alright. Let me tell you now, and all that's on my mind. For love like yours is so very hard to find. I look inside myself, now I'm very sure there can only be you for me. I need you more and more. And you turn me inside out and you show me what life was about. Only you, the only one that stole my heart away. And I wanna do all I can just to show you, make you understand. Only you, the only one that stole my heart away. When you're in my arms, when I'm close to you, there's a magic in your touch that just comes shining through. Want you every day, want you every night. There can only be you for me. You make it seem so right. Oh girl, 'cause you turned me inside out and you showed me what life was about. Only you, the only one that stole my heart away. O diba talaga naman, whenever you hear that song, parang feeling mo gusto mo maging in love ulit, diba? In my mind, there's no other love. You're the only girl my heart and soul is thinking of. And only you, only me. There can never ever be another love that can understand the way that I feel inside. 'Cause you turned me inside out and you showed me what life was about. Only you, the only one that stole my heart away. Yeah, you turned me inside out and you showed me what life was about. Only you, the only one that stole my heart away. You stole my heart away. Only you, the only one that stole